Welcome to Psychonauts, ladies and gentlemen. Earn points and make friends by promoting a free and fair internet. So the first thing to do to be able to join is provide your email address here and click on join the movement. So you receive a code on your provided email address, so you go copy it and you input on the next page. After verifying your email address by providing the code, you have to pick a Psychonaut handle. Choose a username, then you click on blast off. Okay, so we have been signed up. My referral code as well as invitation link has been generated. My total site points are 50. Right? Link to Psychonaut incubation program. Just click on go finish. So you have to authorize. If you're done with it, you click on authorize app. So that task has been done and submitted. You have to link your Discord. Then you start referring friends and you earn 100 site points. There is also a daily check-in. Click on go finish. So you must link Twitter and Discord before the daily check-in. Right. Click on authorize. Discord connected successfully. So I've linked Twitter and Discord. Now I can start claiming the daily check-in. Alright, guess I've claimed. The other tasks can include to reply to any post on Twitter with hashtag PsyProtocol and comment. Create a high quality Psy video. Create a Psy Protocol themed video and post it on X tagging Psycho. Tweet badass. Psy Protocol mascot contest. All the details are there. You might want to look them up and see the ones you can actually participate in. Top ranking within 7 days. Whoa. So people are really doing this, right? So what's up? Let's see the menu top right here. Psychonauts, my records, leaderboard, manifestos, rule, onboarding guide. So when you click on the onboarding guide, you can get every single detail from incubation program to every other thing you need to know, right? The full guide, what is Psy. Protocol is building a new internet powered by POW 2.0, proof of useful work. The system focuses on useful computation agent, centric accounts, and native AI agent, right? So you want to go through all of this at your convenient time and pace to understand even better what the project is about. So I'm a cadet, and this is currently my point value. I haven't referred anyone. So here's the Psychonaut official Twitter page, Psy Protocol. Let's hit the follow button. With trustless, decentralized internet, they have a followership of 99.8k, right? So you want to go through and see what it is you stand to gain for being part of the project. So this is basically it for now. I do not own this project. I'm not in any way affiliated. So you endeavor to do your research to understand better what the project is about. Thanks and do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.